Ever wondered how that morning cup of coffee affects your health? It's a question that has stirred many debates. And the answer isn't as black and white as the coffee in your mug. For years, coffee has been painted with a broad brush, some labeling it as a health hazard, others hailing it as a miracle drink. This controversy has brewed confusion among many, leading to misconceptions about coffee's impact on health. Is it the villain, contributing to heart disease, insomnia, and anxiety? Or is it the hero, boosting metabolism, enhancing brain function, and even potentially warding off certain types of cancer? The truth is, like most things, it's not entirely one or the other. Coffee's influence on our health is a complex brew of factors, influenced by everything from the amount consumed to our individual genetic makeup. So, is coffee a friend or foe? Stick around to find out. But before we dive into the health benefits, have you ever wondered about the history of coffee? Picture this: Ethiopian shepherds observing their frisky goats after they've nibbled on these peculiar red berries. That's how coffee was discovered way back in the 9th century. From there it traveled to Yemen, where by the 15th century it was being cultivated and traded extensively. Then coffee houses, known as Coffe, began to appear in cities across the Near East. These places were not just for a quick caffeine fix, but they were social hubs, and often political hotspots. By the 17th century, coffee had made its way to Europe, and despite initial skepticism, it soon took over the continent, replacing the traditional breakfast drink of the time, beer. Fast forward to today, and coffee is a global phenomenon, savored in different ways across cultures. From humble beginnings to a worldwide phenomenon, the journey of coffee is as rich and complex as its flavor. Now let's uncover the health benefits of this popular beverage. Surprisingly, the world's favorite morning jolt of energy is packed with a plethora of health benefits. Science has backed this up time and time again. First off, coffee can boost brain function. See, coffee is rich in caffeine, a natural stimulant most commonly known for its ability to ward off sleepiness. But beyond keeping your eyes open, caffeine can also enhance brain function. It blocks an inhibitory neurotransmitter in your brain, leading to an increase in other neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and dopamine. This results in improved mood, reaction times, and general cognitive function. Coffee can also be your secret weapon in the battle against fat. Studies show that caffeine boosts your metabolic rate and significantly enhances fat burning, but the benefits don't stop there. Coffee has been linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer like liver and colorectal cancer. It's not a cure, but a regular cup of joe might just help keep the doctor away. Then there's the heart. Some studies suggest that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of stroke and heart disease. That's a win for your cardiovascular health. And finally, coffee can help fight off those blues. A study from Harvard found that women who drank 4 or more cups of coffee per day had a 20% lower risk of becoming depressed. Impressive, isn't it? Coffee is not just a wake-up call, but a treasure trove of health benefits. So, what have we learned about coffee and its impact on our health? We've journeyed through the captivating chronicles of coffee and discovered its deep-seated roots in history. We've also uncovered the hidden benefits this beverage brings, from reducing the risk of certain diseases to boosting our mental alertness. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up, it's a drink steeped in history and brimming with health benefits. So next time you sip your morning coffee, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink but also tapping into a rich history and numerous health benefits.